Hello guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, in today's video we are talking about the new highlights of Izingani's team. So there's a new video, it highlights for the next episode that is going to play on Sunday, right? Guys, it's really going down, it's really going down. So with this episode, guys, it's the continuation of the trip at Sun City. And as I've said before, Ukoti, that trip was just a setup, guys. It was a setup. I don't know, but I thought it was a setup for Uvuyokazi only, but no. Now Usne is in the mix now. Is in the mix. And last time, guys, just watch this video, watch this video.
Zonke insuku ingane zasekhaya zingihlukumeza ngoba ngingasanayo umzali.
Sundays at 7 p.m. on Sunday Magic.
Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi why ungasalona ilunga lomndeni.
Ngithanda ukujula lenkulumo. Ngizofaka omunye umuntu.
I'm just so angry.
Didikiwe.
Nesithazo umqina.
Sifike kanjani la?
Dani.
Kahle bonke nje ngiright ngabo.
Njalo makhona abo lakho abokhona uzohlala ngikhala mina zonke insuku ingane zasekhaya zingihlukumeza ngoba ngingasanayo umzali.
Sundays at 7 p.m. on Sunday Magic.
Like, guys, Usne, why is she always like, I don't know, it's like they're always sidelining her, they don't respect her. Worst part, Mpumelelo doesn't respect Usne, guys. Like, even the last time when she asked Uti, do you think Uvuyokazi and Tirelo are okay? As the older sibling, you feel like you need to address the elephant in the room, so that you guys can just enjoy without any problems. But the way Mpumelelo answered her, she was like, Uhlanganapi, it's none of your business. Yo, guys, Nosne is really not respected. Those siblings, they don't, I don't know, like, guys, I understand her pain. I understand why she's crying, because she feels so disrespected. Her siblings, abamuboni. I would feel bad if that was me also. And then Vuyokazi is crying. And guys, people are always blaming Utirelo for everything that Vuyokazi goes through. But Utirelo did nothing wrong, Hey, please subscribe. I will see you on my next.